sear these until they're nice and crispy. Adding pancetta is another layer of flavor. Look at you, you chef, you. Cheers! Just kidding. Make sure to pick up all those crispy bits, all that flavor stuck to the pan. When they close, that's how you know they're fresh. And you don't need me to tell you how a menu can set the mood for romance. Just think about your favorite movies. Mickey Rourke feeding Kim Basinger in front of the fridge in 9.5 weeks. And of course, the best of the best, Meg Ryan doing her ultimate performance at the Cat's Deli. I'll have what she's having. A quick grill. Another little chef tip. This sauce is rich, it's malty. Take one of these as your little fork. Hello! And then pinch it up just like that. I gotta tell ya, I got a lot of friends that spend all day at the gym and their muscles aren't this good.